like a Hellcat.
What's goody? What's poppin', YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jaden here, and so this video is titled "Old Whatever Restoration." I'll check the title. I'll check it. Unique Rusty Cleaver Restoration. It's $2 flea market find. This video does not belong to me. So yeah, let's start. $2 flea market find has some issues, which is kind of a bad thing to me. Which I don't want anything with. I want something with no issues. So we have steel brush, spine to water to remove loose dust, scrub the blade. The water is now turned dark brown. Not dark brown, but brown. So yeah. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It seems to pry the wood open. So yeah. I'll leave a link in the description for this channel, because Susan, I don't want to get copyrighted. And if you guys don't know that reference, it is a reference from Scrubby, which is one of my favorite YouTubers right now. I think will always be one of my favorite YouTubers, because like his story times I could just sit here and listen to before I go to sleep. And like, yeah, he has some nice story times. And I was thinking about making a story time, but I have no stories to talk about unless I could spill some tea from what happened at camp. I could do that. And all I want to do is be a successful YouTuber so I can buy my first car, because I promised myself and all my family that I will buy a Lamborghini as my first car. Yep. I was saying that's a lot of money, but it's worth it, you know? It's a nice car. It's a really nice car. And that's a car I dreamed of having for like a long time now. And dreamed of owning like a GTR, McLaren 570S. And this is more attracted to this 570S, not the 600 LT. Yeah. Or the P1. Just make a grinder. Grind all the metal down. Sparks flying everywhere. So if you can't really hear my voice, it's kind of because like I'm talking really low, because I'm supposed to be asleep right now. And because I have to go to church in the morning. Which, I mean, we're supposed to go to church, but me, church sucks to me. I mean, like, sucks. But yeah, I might do some story times, play some Subway Surf. You know what I'm saying? That's like Scrubby. See if I could DM him, like, give him a shout out so we can do like videos together. He's like some of my favorite YouTubers. So yeah, I hope you liked this first video. Hope you look up for more videos, and probably tomorrow. So I have to make 2 videos, edit both of them, and upload them in the exact same day. Hopefully I'm gonna give this channel a shout out on the main channel. And yeah, video's almost over, and I guess peace out, famos.